I just want to do a quick video of my emergency tire patch repair kit. I think everybody should have this if you own a Tesla, because it doesn't have a spare tire and you don't want to get stuck somewhere in the middle of nowhere and without a way of patching up your tire, just in case you have a really rapid leak coming from your tire. So here you go. All right, so I purchased a 21 millimeter socket wrench for your lug nuts, and then I have the Tesla rubber pucks. I have a couple of those in my repair kit. I have my pull tool to remove the caps for my lug nuts. I have my plug kit. So you want to buy one of these plug kits. So if you need to repair a hole, let's say a nail, you run over a nail or something like that, and you want to repair that, so you need one of these plug kits. Comes with these rubber plugs. And then what I did was I purchased a larger rubber cement with a brush, so that it won't dry out on me. So I know that it's always fresh. And then I bought a scissor jack. Why did I buy a scissor jack? Because it's nice and small. I can stow it away in a container. And it doesn't take up too much space, and I can put that in the car. And it came with one of these wrenches for lifting the car with. All right. I had to modify this scissor jack because originally it came this way with one of these fittings, right, for the side of the car. So what I did was I drilled this screw out right here. I drilled it out, and once you drill that out, you can pop this off, and this is what you have left. Just the plate on top with a hole in it. So what I did was I purchased a 1/4-inch plate from Amazon. This is 1/4-inch thick. It is 3-inch in diameter. 3-inch in diameter. And then what I did was I welded 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs around there. That way, when I put the puck in the middle of this thing, it encases it, and the puck will not fall off. So that's what it looks like when it's sitting inside of the steel plate. And then what I did was I drilled a hole through the center, and then I pushed in a 5/16 spring pin. So what I did was I pressed that in there, and I hammered it in to the 5/16 hole, and so now that sticks out, I want to say about a little bit over a 1/2 inch. So why did I do that? So now this can fit into that hole right there. Put that into the hole. It keeps it steady and will not come off your jack. And so that's what it looks like. It's been modified so that this will work for your Tesla. Of course, you use this tool. It's nice and small. It doesn't take up that much room. You put that in there, and then you just turn this, and you can lift your wheel if you need to put in a plug to patch up the hole. All right, so what else do I have? I have some vice grips, just in case, to be able to pull whatever it is that's in your tire if it's a nail or a screw, just a small screwdriver, a utility knife, and some long nose pliers, and a side cutter. Yeah, you're gonna need something like this, these tools, just in case, to be able to remove the screw or the bolt or whatever's stuck in your tire. You need something like that. Don't forget your tire pressure gauge. Get the ones that have the increments of from 5 pound psi to 50 psi. So don't forget your tire pressure gauge as well. What else do you need? You're gonna need a tire pump or an air compressor. So I bought this Wind Gallop from Amazon. It's nice and small and compact. It has a digital readout, and it also has a flashlight. So if you wanted to have a flasher on the side of the road, that's what I bought. So it's a nice and compact, and you can leave this in your car. So all of these, this whole emergency repair kit fits in a nice little small bag here that I had, and so that's where I store everything. I guess that's about it. You're gonna have to modify this jack if you do buy the one that I bought from Amazon. And let's see, to remove this, you're gonna have to drill this out. So take a drill bit, drill it out. Let's see, where's my drill bit? Yeah, take a drill bit and right in the center and drill that out. Once you drill that out, you can pop this off, and it should look like this when you're done. All right, so now you should be prepared just in case you get a flat tire on the road and you're not going to have to wait for a tow truck to come and help you. Now this, you can slide in onto underneath the car and line it up with the hole that's on here, your lift point. Once you line that up with the hole, you're able to lift the car. And mind you, you only have to do this for the rear wheel. If you have a puncture on your rear wheel is when you got to use this, because it's just too difficult to patch a hole in the front. If you need to patch up the front wheel, you don't need to do this. You don't need the jack, because all you need to do is turn the wheels. If you're able to turn the wheels and expose the section where the nail or screw is in place, you can turn it and then expose it in this area right here, and you'll be able to work in this area, because you should be able to insert your plug using your body weight. That's the only way to insert these plugs, is with your body weight. It's too hard to come in from the bottom, from the side. You just don't have enough leverage, and you're gonna get frustrated if you try to do that. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you my emergency tire patch repair kit. Hope that helps. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.